There's another way that we can change the color as well using what's known as a hex code. Let's say I want to change the color of this circle or ellipse, and I come here and I don't want to use this slider. Instead, I want to paste in a hex code number. Now, let's say I'm working with a brand who has a brand guide such as Lee University. And here we have a brand guide for Lee. We have their color palette, which I am going to click in. And when I scroll down, you'll see they'll give me all sorts of ways that I can identify the color. This maroon, we have CMYK, which is the color for if you're doing print. I have RGB, which is for digital graphics, or more simply, this hex code, which I can copy, and then I go back to Figma and I can paste it in, and voila! I now have my color changed using a hex code. You can do the same thing, so go ahead, and you can also go online. So if I just went to, let's say I do a Google search here and I say, let's say I don't have a brand guide. I just want a nice maroon color hex code. And so I could go here and I could take a look and see which of these I like. If I go to images, I might get a better idea of which one I like. Let's say I like this one. Then I can, again, just do this 8,000. I can copy that and I can paste it in. Now it's your turn to do it. So go ahead, find a hex code color that you like, copy it, go back to your Figma and paste it in.